This path is perfect for an adventure.
I hope we find a singing frog.
Ouch! Wait, did that root just say tweet?
Sim, are you okay? What did you hear?
Shh. Listen closely. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
It's coming from right here. Be very quiet.
La? La? Oh, it's a baby chick. And it sounds a little lost. La, la, la.
Hey, little one. Look at my happy dance.
We are friends. We're here to help you find your parents, little La-La.
La? La?
Maybe it needs to learn how to call them, like this. Chirp, chirp.
La, la, la.
Okay, little La-La. Lesson 1, the Big Sounds Challenge.